So how can you customize your lock screen with your name? So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed to Foxtecc so you'll never miss anything important. Anyways, you have a few options with this. Like, the best way is to use a widget which will let you customize the lock screen. Such widget app which you can download is called AnyText. So you can just type that in to the search inside of the App Store. And as you can see, the AnyText is basically an app which has a widget for the lock screen, which you can customize with your text. So you can add that from the lock screen, tap on it to change the text, and you will essentially have your own name or anything written on the lock screen. But also the other option, if you want to get a little bit more professional with it, is to create a wallpaper where you will type that in. Like, you could go ahead and just go to your photos and tap on edit and add the text right there very simply, and just set up an image which you're gonna then use as a wallpaper, but you will add the text to it. So you can just create it manually for yourself, position it however you like, and you're not gonna be tied to any widget limitations. So let me know in the comments which option you decided to go with. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support. Stay tuned for more content, and I'm gonna catch you later.